Okay, so right now this is a rough look at how it's going to look, but I added this winch. The winch, I got this on Amazon, I got that on eBay. The winch at Harbor Freight. That's remote control for the winch, but it's all going to fit right here. That's how the winch setup is. Again, all I'm going to do is when I need it, I'm going to take these and attach it to that battery. Make sure the engine's running. At least, I don't know, I think it's better if the engine's running when you do this. And then work the winch. The reason I got the winch and this whole little setup is because a lot of my yard where I have to cut, especially spring, I will get stuck. I've gotten stuck 3 times already. It's not fun getting out. At least with the winch, I can pull myself out. Usually if you drive into the mud, I can pull myself out. I have plenty of trees all around my property. So I'm going to use the winch to pull myself out. Again, there you go. That's the brief tour on how I did it. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.